Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome to another reset day vlog with me. So it is snowing a lot outside. Let me show you guys. Since it's snowing outside, it's the perfect day to stay in, do some Leetcode problems, be productive. But first, let's make some coffee. I like to use this hazelnut creamer from Silk. This is honestly like my favorite creamer and my go-to creamer. It's dairy-free and it is a little bit sweet, so if you're not into like sweeter creamers, this is not the right one for you, but I am obsessed with this. I use this like almost every day. So good. Okay, I'm also making myself like a little peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Well, it's not really a sandwich because I'm just using like one toast. But I always used to go for this when I was in high school, and it just kind of reminds me of like those days where there would be like cafeteria food, and I would always like make myself a peanut butter sandwich like after eating my lunch. So it was kind of like my dessert. Yeah, so I'm using this cherry jam. Generally it's like a strawberry jam that you're supposed to use, but oh well. So this is kind of the outcome. I'm definitely like one of those people who put a lot of peanut butter. So it's like slathered with peanut butter, and yeah, there is like a little bit of jam in the middle. Okay, let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm set up over here to solve the problem validate binary search tree. So let's go ahead and get started. I just went and grabbed my blue light blocking glasses from Bamboo, and honestly these glasses have made such a huge difference because I'm always looking at the screen and I would get like headaches, especially in the nighttime if I'm staring at the screen for too long. So these glasses are very high quality and they definitely have reduced my strain from looking at the screen, which is what I do all the time. And these are the non-prescription ones that were sent to me, but I did purchase a prescription pair as well, just when I'm not wearing my contacts. And it has really, like, I don't know if I was living under a rock before I had these glasses, because I would just get these like headaches and I would be like, oh, like I've been on the screen for too long. But yeah, totally worth it, very life-changing for me at least. If you want to grab a pair, I'll leave a discount code down below so you can get your own pair if you like. I also use Flux on my MacBook, so the combination of this and Flux has totally reduced like my screen related headaches. So I finally finished filming the validate BST video for Leetcode and it was exhausting. I was not able to solve it myself, and I'm very honest in this channel, so I did look at the discussion forums and finally understood the problem. This is very key. Like, I feel like I don't spend enough time to understand the problem fully, and I just like start coding, which is really bad. So I'm going to try to spend more time on understanding the problem before I dive into the solution. This problem was categorized as a medium, but I did feel like it was a hard problem for me to solve. But yeah, that video should be out next week, next Sunday. Meanwhile, I made myself some lunch to reward myself, and I'm going to watch a YouTube video, just chill for a little bit, because after like doing a Leetcode problem, I'm kind of like exhausted. Like, I don't know if this happens to you guys. Like, it's just my brain is like tired and I just need to kind of recharge a little bit before going into a more sort of like demanding task. Okay, I have migrated here to my bed, and generally I do not like to work from my bed because I like to keep my like workspace separate. However, it is so nice and sunny. It was like snowing all morning, and finally it's like beautiful and sunny, so I'm just going to chill here and do some editing. So I will edit the Leetcode video that I just filmed. So I finished editing and I'm currently uploading my video for next week for Leetcode, and while that's happening I picked up this book and I'm going to go through the reinforcement learning chapter just because I'm really curious and it's really easy to read. I am personally a huge fan of authors who write in very simple and clear language, especially because with technical fields you want to understand clearly. So I have a lot of respect for people who are able to communicate very complex ideas in a very easy and like beginner friendly way to an audience that may not be fully familiar with it. So I really am a big fan of this author here who also uses like a lot of diagrams and graphs. So this book is especially good for people who are also like visual learners. That being said, I do prefer, like, my preferred way of learning is through practice, like by coding, but I go to books when I'm trying to understand a concept or an area that I'm not really fully familiar with. So this book is great for that, especially if you are looking to learn more about the AI field. And I'm just doing this out of my own curiosity. Yeah, I'm very happy with this book. So I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.